If you're on Phuket or Koh Lanta or in Krabi, book a snorkeling trip to experience the water, marine life, and the million-dollar views around the Phi Phi Islands. Depending on where you're staying, the cost will vary slightly, but is worth every penny. Trips usually include hotel pickup and drop-off, lunch, as well as 2 to 4 snorkel stops. Trips can include stops for additional wildlife encounters and exploring smaller islands. There is always a private tour option and a price tag to follow. Choose your adventure appropriately, but know that the group tours are fun, cost-effective, and available every day, weather and waves permitting. Things to consider when snorkeling. Touching or standing on coral quickly damages habitats that require decades to recover. Use a life jacket as your floatie to prevent feeling the need to stop and stand to make a mask adjustment. Your guides will let you know when it's okay to stand on something. Otherwise, float, observe, and enjoy. Buy a rash guard with a high collar or hood. I use a Mountain Hardwear Crater Lake hoodie while snorkeling, and I can float all day and maintain a 50 UPF without having to apply sunscreen that's not healthy for me or the environment. If you're in Phuket, Krabi, or Koh Lanta, book your snorkeling adventure. There's no better day than one spent floating around Thailand's Phi Phi Islands.